Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are making black chickpeas with eggs. It is very healthy with lots of nutrition. It can be also eaten in breakfast. But before starting, if you're new to our channel and if you haven't subscribe and click the bell icon. After clicking, click on all so you'll receive all of the notifications. So let's start. You will need half cup of oil, 8 boiled eggs, half tablespoon of haldi, half tablespoon of red chili powder and cook on medium heat. After it's cooked, take them out in a plate. In the same oil, add 1 tablespoon of zira, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and 4 big tomatoes puree. Half tablespoon of haldi, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, and nor cube. Mix well and cook on medium heat. 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and these are black chickpeas. And these are also black chickpeas, but it is its paste. One tablespoon of mixed pickle, achar, half a cup of water, and now cover for 5 minutes. This is how it looks after 5 minutes. Add the boiled and cooked eggs. This recipe is really very yummy. You all must try. It's really very healthy for you. It looks so delicious. So for garnishing, you will need coriander and some green chilies. Wow, it looks amazing. It is ready and now let's serve it. Yummy, delicious recipe is ready. And I hope you'll try this recipe out. And it is decorated with some vegetables. And this recipe actually is delicious and mouth-watering. Thanks for watching.